Hey y'all, so I was in the process of washing an order and I said why not film it. So I like to use the Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition line. This is all I've been using for like 5-6 years now. 1 to 2 pumps will get that lather going. Okay, so this is the 4AB Kinks texture. It is the coarsest texture. You definitely want to take your time with it. Downward motion, get a nice lather, set it to the side, and then I move on to the bundle. Same exact thing, lather, set to the side. I like to let it sit in shampoo for roughly 30 minutes to an hour, rinse it out with warm water, and then I move on to the conditioning. So same thing, 1 to 2 squirts, get a nice lather, and yeah, set it down. You know, with curly hair or textured hair in general, you want to make sure you deep condition the hair. So I'll leave that on there for roughly an hour or two. Break out that Denman brush. Y'all know this is the holy grail. I like to use the back of the sink to get some friction going and get those coils to pop, okay? Now keep in mind that, you know, this hair looks different when it's wet versus dry, as with type 4 hair. So the coils are popping, okay? But best and believe that it's going to be much coarser in texture once dry. So that's what it looks like. Set it up under the fan overnight. Close your 2 bundles for the order. And this is what it looks like dry.